Hey everyone, welcome back to Workhouse Signs, where printers smell like money and Foamboard becomes high art. Today we're going full send into the world of printing directly on Foamboard with the HP R2000, slicing it up on the Kongsberg X24, dressing it up with antique frames, and finally hanging it on a wall so it looks like you just robbed a museum. Let's roll. Step 1. Prepping the artwork. Before we even touch the printer, we've got to set up the artwork. Make sure it's straight, cropped, and doesn't have your cousin's reflection in it from that one barbecue. We're printing directly onto Foamboard, so resolution matters. We're talking 300 dpi crisp, not... I screenshotted this from Facebook in 2014. Load up your design software, Illustrator, Photoshop, whatever flavor of chaos you like, and size it perfectly for your antique frame. Measure twice. Print once. And pray once more for good adhesion. Step 2. Loading the Foamboard into the HP R2000 now. Let's fire up the HP R2000, that glorious beast that can print on just about anything flatter than your Monday morning motivation. We're using 3/16-inch Foamboard, lightweight, smooth, and surprisingly bougie once it's printed. Slide it onto the bed gently, like you're tucking in a baby made of styrofoam. Make sure your vacuum zones are locked down. We don't want the board taking off mid-print like it just remembered it left the oven on. Hit that print button and watch the magic happen. UV inks cure instantly under those lights, and before you know it, boom, museum-ready graphics. Pro tip: stand there pretending to supervise like a proud dad at a little league game. That printer loves an audience. Step 3. Cutting with the Kongsberg X24. Next stop, precision cutting. We're heading over to the Kongsberg X24, the machine that makes scissors look like a joke. Import your cut file, ideally the same size as your print, and line up those registration marks. If it's off by even 1/8 of an inch, your frame is going to look like it's doing the limbo. Fire up that tool head. Let it slice through Foamboard like butter at a southern cookout, and voila, perfect edges. There's something deeply satisfying about watching that blade trace your design. It's like ASMR for sign nerds. Step 4. Mounting into antique frames now. We're going to class this operation up. Take that printed piece of Foamboard and slide it into your antique frame. The more ornate and over the top, the better. This is where modern printing meets grandma's attic. It's that perfect balance of vintage chic, and I have way too much equipment in my shop. You can use double-sided foam tape or mounting strips to hold it in place. No hot glue gun crimes today. Please, give it a little shake test. If it rattles, it's not ready for the wall. Step 5. Hanging the final piece. All right, the masterpiece is ready for display. Grab your level, or if you're feeling rebellious, just eyeball it like a true artist. Hook it on the wall, step back, and admire that perfect combo of tech and tradition. That Foamboard print is giving Renaissance energy, but with industrial precision. People will think you bought it at a gallery. You'll know you made it on a Tuesday while eating leftover pizza and arguing with the RIP software. Bonus round, pro tips: always run a test print first. Foamboard absorbs light differently, and you don't want your reds turning into ketchup. Don't stack fresh prints. Those UV inks may cure fast, but physics still exists. And if you're using antique frames, check the back. Some of those old nails are sketchier than a Facebook Marketplace ad. Closing. So there you have it. From raw Foamboard to framed artwork worthy of your fancy living room wall. If you learned something, laughed a little, or at least didn't fall asleep, do the Holy Trinity. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next video where we try printing on something even weirder. And hey, if you missed our last video, go check it out right after this one. We printed a full-color image directly onto screw heads. Yeah, screw heads. Because apparently nothing in this shop is safe from the HP R2000. Thanks for watching, friends. Now go hang your new masterpiece, and maybe tell your guests it's limited edition. See you next time on Workhouse Signs.